1, 2, 3, let's go!
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Revati Bawa, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, तो please मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. एंड वो मेरे लिए लिटरली इट विल मीन द वर्ल्ड टू मी, मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखेगा. तो प्लीज मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. एंड आपको टाइटल और थंबनेल से ऑब्वियसली समझ गया होगा कि ये एक मिनीसो हॉल होने वाला है, और फर्स्ट मिनीसो हॉल ऑन माई चैनल. सो आई एम प्रीटी एक्साइटेड अबाउट दैट. एंड ऑल्सो आई शॉप्ड a lot of stuff, especially home decor stuff. So if interested, and even if you're not interested, video देख ही लो, क्या ही आपका बिगड़ जाएगा. So without any further ado, let's just get right away into the video. So the first thing that I'm going to be showing you guys are these storage containers. You can see these are transparent storage container, and it is pretty big. Like look at the size. It's got a huge amount of space, and you can store your clothes, anything actually, whatever you want and you need to actually store. So it all depends on you. But I got the two of these because I have shifted back to Mumbai completely now and officially now. So I have bought a lot of stuff back, and there is so much of my stuff that is literally just lying around in my house, and I want to organize all my stuff. That's why I bought this, and this is of pretty good quality. Like I got this one box for 490 rupees, so basically for 500 you can say. So I got these two boxes for 1000 rupees, which is quite a good deal, I feel. And yeah, there's nothing much to say, but I'll tell you I'll just tell you how much you can, like how much liters or whatever this box is. So the box size is 39 by 28 by 28 centimeter, or 830 gram, which is almost like 1 kg of stuff you can store, I guess, in this container. So yeah, this is it for the first product, you guys. Now I'm going to move on to the second product. So the second product that I got are these briefs. So basically I saw these briefs, and the one who sells, or what do you call them, I'm not remembering the right word, but whatever, the guy just told me that these are on sale, small or medium sizes. So that's why I thought, if they are on sale, might as well I give them a try and see how they are. And they were seamless briefs, like the kind of briefs that if you wear a denim or in your jegging, the panty line will not be seen, and I usually go for those kind of underwears. So yeah, so that's why I thought, let's just give the Miniso's briefs a try out as well. But when I when I was billing at that moment, it wasn't showing that it was on sale. So I just got two boxes, and one box is for my mother, and in each boxes you get two briefs, and the color is white and nude, in both the boxes. And in my mother's size, like for my mother that we got it in a size larger, obviously. So in that there is a white and a black color. But yeah, this is it, you guys. There's nothing much to say. The two this box costs for 500 rupees. That means 250 rupees each for a brief, and I think it is good. Like it's a pretty good deal. Like I checked out the quality, it's pretty amazing. So yeah, there's nothing much to say. I love it, and I'm gonna try it out. And if I really love it after trying it out, I'm definitely gonna recommend you to try it out as well. But we'll see when that happens. So yeah, the next thing that I got are these hooks, fun hooks. These two are beautiful. Like they've got cactus, then I guess it's a Christmas tree, but in yellow color, and just a normal mushroom shaped hook. I got two packets of these, and each box or each packet costs for 190 rupees each. I got one more packet of hooks. These are the We Bear Bears hook. I just loved how cute and sturdy these look. That's why I got them. And it's basically got bears all over it. Like the print is bear print, and there are 5 hooks in this, and this also costs for 190 rupees. And in the fun hooks, they cost 190 for 3, and this costs for 190 for 5, which is again a pretty good deal. They seem of good quality, so when the quality is not compromised, there's nothing really to say about the cost as well. So yeah, and I got these hooks to stick them in my wardrobe, so that I can hang my handbags or anything on these hooks in my wardrobe. That's why I got them, and yeah, I like them. So the next thing is this gorgeous diary. I got it solely for the quote that is written on it. It is written, "Not all the wonder are lost," and that's what I liked about this diary. And it is in a baby pink color. It's just pretty basic diary. It's got single line ruled pages, and yeah, it's only that. Like, the whole diary consists of the single ruled line pages, and there's nothing much to say about it. And I guess I got this for, if I'm not wrong, I got it for again 190 or in the same range, I guess. I don't remember. I just check it and show you for how much I got this diary. I got this diary for 260 rupees, which I mind paying because the quality is amazing. And yeah, it's a diary, and we all know Miniso is known for its huge variety of stationery, and that's why I had to get something in stationery as well. So that's why I got this, and I love Miniso stationery. It is so darn cute, you guys. You should definitely check out their stationery if you're someone who likes buying fancy stationery. So the next thing that I got are these 4 nail polish. They each cost for these each cost for 99 rupees only. So yeah, I loved all these shades. Me and my mom picked out these 4 nail polish, and they were pretty cheap, like only 99 rupees. And yeah, I love the shade. We've already put 2 shades, and the shade is really pigmented, and you just need to apply a single coat for the dark shades. And obviously when they are glittery, you gotta apply 2-3 coats, then only they'll be visible. So yeah, and there's nothing much to really say here, but I love these nail polishes. They are amazing. I already own a few more nail paints from Miniso, and I love them. That's why I thought of buying more, because I can totally swear by the nail paints from Miniso. So the next thing that I got are actually 3 handbags. I'm going to show you one by one. This is a gorgeous handbag, as you can see, and it was originally for 1190, that means 1200 almost. So it was on sale, so we got it for 600 rupees, and since it was on sale, why not? And it is a transparent handbag, as you can see. There's nothing much to say. The quality is amazing, and especially these kind of handbags can come really handy in monsoons. And since in Mumbai it's raining heavily and this was on sale, we thought, why not, let's just get it. So we got this bag. We got one more sling bag. As you can see, this is a black sling bag, and it is awesome. Like, it's sturdy, and yeah, you can, in this monsoon season, this kind of a bag will really come handy. Again, this originally was priced for 500 rupees, but we got it only for 250 rupees since it was on sale. And yeah, it's a gorgeous sling bag to have. And yeah, there's nothing much really to say here. If the sale is still going on, you should definitely get your hands on this kind of a bag if you're someone who likes holding handbags. I do not have many handbags. Like, I do not own a lot of handbags. That's why I'm gonna keep buying handbags till I actually have a huge collection of handbags. So that's why I stocked up my collection with this gorgeous sling bag, and me and my mom both can use this. And I wanted it in white color as well, because you should have the basic colors, right? Black, white and beige on you. So there was this. This is again for 500 rupees. We got it on sale, and it costed only 250 rupees. And yeah, it's a sling bag. There's nothing much to say again about it. There's this button on top of a ear. In that sling bag, the button was here to close and open, and over here you've got it on top. And yeah, this will be nice and protective from the rain. So yeah, it totally serves the purpose, I'm sure. So this is it for my Miniso haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the haul, and if you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't hit it already, go hit it now. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then what are you even waiting for? Abhi jaake subscribe karo mere channel ko, and I will see you in my next video with another haul. Until then, stay home, stay safe, be positive, and bye bye.